Hello everyone. So today we are starting our lesson number 1 of our algebra series, and the topic is what is algebra and what are variables and constants. Before starting further, I would like to ask from you all, have you ever seen letters like X and Y in math and wondered why alphabets entered mathematics? Today let's understand algebra in just 2 minutes. Algebra is a branch of mathematics like other branches, trigonometry and calculus, that uses letters and symbols to represent numbers and solve problems. Instead of writing a specific number, we sometimes use a letter to represent an unknown value. Let's understand the three main things on which algebra is based, that are variables, constants, and coefficients. Okay, what is a variable? Variable is derived from the word vary, and vary means change. We can use any letter here: X, Y, Z, A, B, C. Any letter can come under this heading variables, and these letters, the value of these letters will be changing according to the question. That's why they are known as variables. Now let's come on to constants. What are constants? Constants are the numbers. Any number will be coming in this category of constants. That means the value of this number cannot change. The value of these numbers, the constants, will remain as it is. Now let's come on to coefficients. Are those numbers that are with the variables, that are multiplied with the variables. So over here, if we multiply 2 with a, so this 2 is coefficient. It is also written as 2a. We don't write this multiply always. We just write 2a. One more example. If 3 is multiplied with a, what it will become? 3a. If 4 will multiplied with, let's say I'm taking variable b, it will become 4b. So all these numbers with the variable are coefficients. Now let's suppose I have one chocolate that costs 20 rupees. If you buy X chocolates, what the total cost is? So I'll be multiplying 20 by X, and I can write 20X over here. So for example, if I buy 2 chocolates, so what I'll do, instead of this X, I'll multiply by 2, and the answer is 40. No need to do long multiplication here, just multiply directly. Okay, for example, I want to buy 6 chocolates. What you will be doing here then? 20 is multiplied by 6, and the answer is 120. 120 chocolates. So what we need to remember? That variable is value can change. Constant is value stays fixed, and coefficient is the number multiplied by a variable. So now you tell me in the comments, in the expression 7y plus 10, what is the variable, what is the coefficient, and what is the constant. See you in the next algebra lesson. Thank you.